In this video, I will show you the exact way to stream on multiple platforms at once using OBS. First of all, you have to install a OBS plugin. So all you have to need, you get this website link in this video description. Just come to this website and here under assets, you get the Mac OS package. If you're using Mac OS, just click here to download, and if you're using Windows computer, then just click here to download the plugin installer. Once you successfully installed this plugin on your computer, just close your OBS and restart. Once you restart it, click on Docs and here select multiple output. And now you can just go ahead and put this multi-output window anywhere on your OBS screen. Just like this. Okay, now select a scene and add your video and audio or media sources you want to stream. Now go to settings, select stream. Service, I'm selecting here Twitch. And here I'm selecting Twitch because I want to stream on Twitch and YouTube at the same time. So you can just click on the service drop down and you can just click on show all, and then you can go ahead and select your first streaming platform from this list. Now I'm going to my Twitch and under creator dashboard, I'm clicking on settings and clicking on stream, and this is my primary stream key. I'm just copying my Twitch stream key, and here I'm just adding my stream key and clicking on apply and clicking on OK. And after that, it's time to link our second platform to stream. So here under multiple output, click on add new target, and here target name I'm giving here YouTube stream, and protocol I'm selecting RTMP, and here select service. Then I'm going to my YouTube and clicking on create, go live, and here I'm copying stream URL and going back to my OBS. Here in the stream URL, I'm pasting my YouTube server URL or stream URL. Then I'm copying the stream key and pasting into this stream key box. Now clicking on OK, and I have successfully connected my OBS with Twitch and YouTube platform. Now all you have to need is click on start streaming here, and once the streaming started, again come to this multiple output section. Here click on start under YouTube stream. Once started, I'm going to my Twitch and going to stream manager, and here as you can see I'm live on Twitch from my OBS. The same way I'm going to my YouTube, and we can see the same media sources I'm streaming on my YouTube also from my OBS. So that's how you can actually multi-stream from OBS. Thanks for watching.